Hmm.
Hello friends, welcome to Otica Electronics company. Today we are going to demonstrate how to use and the compatibility of the use for the silicone vacuum pump for the baby's delivery purpose. So you can see these are the two different size silicone vacuum cup. This is the 40 the radius. The more we have taken is this is the 60 of radius. So you can choose, we have 4 different sizes from 40, 50, 60 and 70. So you can take all of size for your hospital, or you can take two sizes, 50 and 60. So we have just taken for this video, we have taken two sizes. You can see the softness of our cup. It can be easily inserted during the delivery, as well as this comes with a vacuum release valve. You have to connect the suction machine tube over this place, and this is made with very good quality. This is a very good quality of metal connector, so you can pull the baby easily along while suction. This is a very soft and virgin silicone material, so this can be autoclaved, and you can just see whenever you have connected and baby is connected on the head of the vacuum cup, you can release the suction after you just pull out the baby. So you don't need to switch off the suction machine. You can just release the suction from this key. Whenever you will press, all the suction will be released and you can detach this cup from the baby. So these are the two different sizes. You can see the quality and the material is too much flexible, quite strengthened enough, and a good quality of metal. You just need to connect the suction tube here, create the suction as per your requirement, insert the cup inside of the vagina, connect it to the baby's head, let the suction create and have the firm contact with the baby's head. After that, you just need to pull. After the baby comes out, you just need to press this vacuum release button. So the vacuum will be released and you can detach this from the baby's head. So this is how the Otica vacuum cup with metal release valve works.